Hello everyone, I'm Geeta Srinivasan, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Today we will see about the corporate accounting. In the corporate accounting, we are going to see about debentures. We will see what is the meaning of debenture. If a company needs funds for extension and development purpose without increasing its share capital, it can borrow from the general public by issuing certificates for a fixed period of time and at a fixed rate of interest. Such a loan certificate is called a debenture. So debentures are offered to the public for subscription in the same way as for issue of equity shares. Debenture is issued under the common seal of the company acknowledging the receipt of money. Debenture. The word debenture itself is a derivation of the Latin word debere, which means to borrow or loan. In the first slide itself, we have seen the debenture or return instruments of debts that company issue under their common seal. So, we'll see what is the definition. The term debenture is defined in the Companies Act as debentures includes debenture stock, bonds and any other securities of a company, whether instituting a charge on the assets of the company or not. What are the characteristics of debenture? The debenture is a certificate that the company issues under a seal. This shows the amount and date of repayment plus interest. Then borrowed funds. The debentures are the parts of the borrowed fund capital. So the holders of the debentures are the creditors of the company. Usually the shareholders, the holders of the shareholders will be called as an owners of the company. But when you come to the debenture, the holders of the debentures are called as the creditors of the company. And then the debentures is a written document that the company issue to the lender. It acknowledges a loan or debts. It is a written promise. Okay. So then there is a maturity period is there in the debenture. The debentures are the long-term sources of finance. Sometimes it can be a medium-term loan also. These are generally issued for the period of 10 to 20 years. And then the debenture holders are eligible to get a fixed rate of interest. They have a priority over the shareholders in respect of their claim on assets. And then the other characteristics are the power of control, a fixed rate of interest and appointment of trustees. These are the characteristics of debentures. Features of debentures. The company is liable to pay periodic interest. Payment to the debenture holder at an agreed rate. They are also entitled to redemption of their capital as per the agreed terms. The debenture holder has no voting right and cannot vote in the company's general meeting. The debentures can also secure against the assets of the company or may be unsecured also. A debenture acknowledges the debt. It is in the form of certificate issued the seal of the company. The debenture holders have the right to take legal action against the company on any unpaid dues. They can enforce the security by sale in case of default. The interest paid by the company to the debenture holder is a charge against a profit in the company's financial statement. Types of debentures. In type of debenture, there is secured debenture, unsecured debenture, convertible debenture, non-convertible debenture, redeemable debenture, irredeemable debenture, registered debenture, barrier debenture, and first mortgage debenture and second mortgage debenture. What is secured debenture? These debentures carry a charge on some assets of the issuing company. In case a company fails to repay the debt, its asset will be sold off to pay creditors. Unsecured debentures. These type of debenture are very risky for the investors. This is because they don't carry any security or charge on the company's assets. If the company fails to pay, its assets are not liable for attachment in case of its failure to repay. So what is convertible debenture? These debentures convert into equity or preference shares for a specific period of time. Non-convertible debenture. These debentures cannot convert, that is non-convertible ones remain debentures. They do not convertible into shares. Redeemable debenture. To explain redeemable debenture, we'll see one example. If a debenture's maturity period is 5 years, it becomes redeemable on the expiry of 5 years. So after 5 years, the amount has to be repaid. Irredeemable debenture. This debenture do not have a specific maturity date. They last throughout a company's lifetime. Thus, the company redeems them only when it faces liquidation. So, registered debenture. As a name suggests, the detail of these debenture holders are registered in the company's record. Only the debenture holder can redeem these debentures. They are not freely transferable. What is barrier debenture? Companies do not register details of debenture holder in this case. They can be redeemed by the person owning them. This happens because these debentures are freely transferable. So what is first mortgage debenture? As the name suggests, companies repay these debentures first. That is, debenture holders get their money before all others in their category. Second mortgage debentures. These debentures are repaid only after the first mortgage debenture are satisfied. Now we will see the advantages and disadvantages of the debentures. So though I have explained what is a debenture, I want to remember 2-3 points again. So debenture is one of the common long-term sources of finance. It carries fixed interest rate and certain maturity date also. So advantages. What are the advantages? Benefits of tax shield on interest payment, benefit of financial leverage, disciplinary effort, low issue cost, fixed installment, etc. And disadvantages: rigid obligation, enlarged leverage ratio, restrictive convenience in the trust deed, bad for low inflationary conditions. So, what are the advantages? Again, we'll see. In advantages of debenture, control of company is not surrendered to debenture holder because they do not have any voting rights. Second point we can see as interest on debenture is an allowable expenditure under income tax. So, we are getting benefit from the tax also. Hence, incidence of tax on the company is decreased. Then debentures can be redeemed when company has surplus funds. There is some disadvantages I have said. We'll see more points. Cost of raising capital through debenture is high stamps duty. It is expensive. That is, the common people cannot buy debenture as they are of high denominations. and they are not meant for companies earning greater than the rate of interest which they are paying on the debentures. So these are the some of the advantages and disadvantages of the debenture. I hope you have understood the debentures merits and demerits. In the screen you are seeing one of the debenture certificate. In this slide you can see one of the mortgage debenture certificate. Thank you very much for listening my presentation. We'll meet on the next presentation. Once again, thank you very much.